Hey guys, my name is Uday Kadali. As we know what is blogging and its importance in promoting your business. To start a blog, it needs some time and also some costing as involved, like buying the domain, hosting space, and customizing the website. So as a beginner, you might be facing some funding issues. So I'll show you how to start a blog for free using your Facebook account. I hope all you guys are having Facebook accounts, right? So now go to your Facebook account and click on this more, scroll down and click on this notes, click on the notes. Okay, now click on add note. So now this is a place where we can add image, title and text content here. So to add image here, you can use two platforms. One is Canva. So Canva is a platform where you can create your customized designs and images, and another platform called pexels.com. So this is a website where you can get the images for free. You're not buying any image here. Everything is free, and there are copyright issues. No copyright issues. Okay, they are royal free, guys. And now go back to your Facebook account. Okay, so after adding how it looks exactly. Okay, now you add the image here. I didn't add, so now for just showing example, I didn't add the image here, so you can add the image here. Okay, and add the title and add the content here. So and also, like you can add the links to the text also. For example, just okay, mark this and you can see the some box on the top of the text, and click on this last one, the link icon. Just click on this link icon and add the link here and just click on the enter, guys. So automatically what happens, the link will add to the text. So adding the links to the text, you can funnel this traffic from this Facebook blog to your, maybe in future, to your own website or to any other blog or website, guys. So after adding this text and images, click on the publish here. Okay, so you can either make it publish, you can make it public, or you can show it only to your friends, or you can only make it for you guys. So what I suggest to you is make it at least for public, so you get some traction, you get some traffic to your blogs at least. So that because that's ultimately the blog is to get the traffic, right? So that's the purpose here. So once you fix the whom you can show, and click on the publish, guys. So what I suggest is, don't literally depend on this Facebook blogging. Maybe for initially, for the sake of practice, you can use this platform, but what I say is, try to have your own blog. Okay, so buy your own domain, hosting space and a customized website, and write your own content. See, so that's how you can improve your personal branding. Of course, even this Facebook blog also, it literally helps you to as a practice initially, at least. Thank you, guys. Hope this video has given some value. Bye, take care.